fats and oils. When I am talking about fats and oils, I was talking that these are triacylglycerols with unsaturated fatty acids or saturated fatty acids. So you should know what is triacylglycerol. So to understand fats and oils, first we should understand what is triacylglycerols. Okay, so we'll talk about the triacylglycerol or triglycerides. Okay, triacylglycerol, TAG. So this is also called as triacylglycerol, TAG, also called as TGL, triglycerides, or in short sometimes it is represented in some textbooks as TG, that is triglycerides. Okay, so let us see about the triglycerides. So triacylglycerol, it indicates that there is a glycerol compound, and if you see the oils and fats, they are made up of triacylglycerol esterified with saturated or unsaturated fatty acids. So simple lipids or fats and oils, they are made up of triacylglycerols and saturated or unsaturated fatty acids. Okay, so they consist of triacylglycerol plus fatty acid. So triacylglycerol means it is made up of glycerol and fatty acids. Now below here you can see the structure of glycerol. This is the structure of glycerol. It consists of 3 carbons in its structure, and it consists of 3 alcohol groups, OH groups. Glycerol, OL. The spelling itself indicates OL. OL means it is alcohol group. So it consists of 3 hydroxy groups on 3 carbons. Okay, so this is called glycerol. So this glycerol is esterified with the fatty acids. See, now CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH. So this is esterified with the fatty acids. Fatty acids, they contain carboxylic group at one terminus. So that is COOH. R1 is the side chain, means other hydrocarbons. Okay. So the number of R1, R2, R3 will varies. Okay. Now the COOH group of fatty acid and OH group of the glycerol involved in the esterification reaction, and this is removed as water. So as a result, what will happen? You will get the triacylglycerol. So if all the 3 hydroxy groups of glycerol are esterified with fatty acid, then it is called as triacylglycerol. It's okay. So more details I have given here, that is about glycerol. So glycerol, you know the structure is represented on the right hand corner. If you see the structure, it is a trihydric alcohol. Trihydric alcohol means it contains 3 OH groups in its structure and has the popular name called glycerin. So glycerin, everybody knows that glycerin is the popular name for glycerol. It is synthesized in the body from glucose. And colorless, viscous, oily liquid with sweet taste. So this is a colorless, viscous, oily liquid with sweet taste. On esterification with one fatty acid, it gives monoglyceride or monoacylglycerol. So one fatty acid plus glycerol forms monoglyceride or monoacylglycerol. So on esterification with 2 fatty acids, it gives diglyceride or diacylglycerol. 2 fatty acids plus glycerol forms diacylglycerol or diglyceride. And on esterification with 3 fatty acids, it gives triglyceride or triacylglycerol. So 3 fatty acids plus glycerol is called triglyceride or triacylglycerol. So it may be converted into glucose in our body. So glycerol can be converted into glucose in our body. So this is the structure of triacylglycerol. So glycerol with 3 hydroxy groups esterified with 3 fatty acids and results in the formation of triglycerides. So this is how the triglyceride looks like. Okay, so this is the structure of triglycerides. And if you see the triglycerides, they are classified into different 2 types mainly, that is simple glyceride and mixed triglycerides. Simple triglycerides means the 3 fatty acids connected to the glycerol are of same type. So if the 3 fatty acids linked to the glycerol are of same type, then it is called as simple triglyceride. It is called as simple triglyceride. Example, tripalmitin. Tripalmitin is an example of simple triglyceride. Then mixed triglycerides, if they are of different types, means if the three fatty acids which are formed linked to the three hydroxy groups of glycerol are of different type, then that is called as mixed triglyceride. Then that is called as mixed triglyceride. Example for mixed triglycerides is stearodiol and palmito-oleostearin. Natural fats are mixtures of mixed triglycerides. Natural fats are mixtures of mixed triglycerides. Natural fats are mixtures of mixed triglycerides with small amount of simple triglycerides. With a small amount of simple triglycerides. Now applications of glycerol. If you see, glycerol is used in pharmaceutical and cosmetic preparations. Glycerol is used in pharmaceutical and cosmetic preparations. It reduces brain edema in cerebrovascular disease. It reduces brain edema in cerebrovascular disease. Nitroglycerin is used as vasodilator. Nitroglycerin is used as vasodilator, especially for the coronary arteries. Thus, it is used in the treatment of angina pectoris. Also used in explosive manufacturing. Nitroglycerin is used as a vasodilator, especially for coronary artery disease. So that it is used in the treatment of angina pectoris. This is also used in explosive manufacturing. So explosion like bombs and all, they use this nitroglycerin. Then glycerol is also used in the treatment of glaucoma. Glaucoma means the increased intraocular pressure in the eye leads to a condition called glaucoma. So glycerol is used in the treatment of glaucoma due to its ability to dehydrate the tissue from its water content. So this is about triglycerides. Glycerol and formation of triglyceride, application of glycerol. Okay, so this is about